स्वागत छ विद्यार्थी साथीहरूलाई। आज हामी क्लास 10 को इंग्लिश विषयको युनिट 5 मा रहेको साइन्स एन्ड एक्सपेरिमेन्टको रिडिङ सेकेन्ड अन्तर्गत द भोइस अफ द रेन का अभ्यासहरू र साथमा ग्रामरहरू सल्भ गर्ने छौं यो भिडियोमा। लौ त आउनुहोस् सुरु गरौं द भोइस अफ द रेन को एक्सरसाइज तर्फ। ए Match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. A. Eternal. यसको मिनिङ हुन्छ never ending. B. Impalpable. Not easily understood. C. Vaguely. Unclearly. Descend. Come down. Leave. To pour out as water. Atoms, indivisible particles. Rec, take care of. Consider or acknowledge. Rec, to consider or acknowledge. B. Fill in the blanks choosing the words given below. Impalpable, rex, globe, drought, beautify, latent. The river ran dry during the drought. B. It is still impalpable to understand how the earth originated. C. The company produces a wide variety of makeup and skincare products designed to gently and effectively beautify human skin. His greatest ambition is to sail around the globe. What recks it whether they win or lose? Now see. Complete the summary of the poem using suitable words or phrases given below. Quenches, rhythm, mysterious, hill, atoms, condensation, essence, source, originality. The poem is a conversation between the poet and the rain. When the poet asks the identity of the drizzle, she replies that she is the poem of the earth. The rain expresses that it gives happiness to Mother Earth. Rain is a perpetual process which has different forms at different times. It rises from the land as water, vapor, and essence high up to the sky. It takes the form of clouds. Though it changes its form or shape, its originality remains unchanged. It shows that nature is not fully understood. Some parts of it always remain mysterious. The raindrops pour down from above to wash away atoms and dust layers. It quenches the thirst. It quenches the thirst of the dry earth and heals everything that is becoming lifeless. In other words, the showers make the earth pure and beautiful. Finally, the poet observes that the life of rain is similar to that of a song. A song also has a power to calm, heal, transform, and thrill. In the same way, repeated evaporation and condensation purifies the rain. It beautifies the whole earth as a rhythm does to poem or music. Now D. Answer the following questions. A. What are the two voices in the poem? Who do they belong to? The voices in the poem are the speaker and the rain. The speaker is likely to be the poet himself. B. How is the cyclic movement of the rain shown in the poem? The cyclic movement of the rain is shown in the poem through the rain's journey. At first, it rises out of the land and sea, ascends to the heaven, and then descends back to the earth to purify it. C. Why are showers necessary for the earth? The showers are necessary for the earth to provide life to plants and animals and purify and beautify the environments. D. How are the rain and music similar? The rain and music are similar as they both have a rhythm and power to make the world livelier. How are the clouds formed? The water rises out of the land and sea through evaporation and then forms into clouds when it condenses up the high in the sky. F. List the pair of opposite words in the poem. The pairs of opposite words in the poem are shower or rain, drought, rise, descends, impalpable, tangible, rigged, unrigged. Now grammar. Complete the following sentences using the correct form of verbs in brackets. A. If Gaurav were the captain, conditional sentence, type 2, the team would play better. The team would play better. B. I call you had I known you were in Nepal. यो type 3 हो. Type 3 मा would have भित्री गराउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. I would have called you. I would have called you. C. If he not come to Nepal, he would not have seen Mount Everest. This is also type 3 would have भित्री छ यहाँ. Type 3. If he would not come to Nepal. Type 3 भएको हुनाले यसलाई पनि type 3 मा लानु पर्ने हुन्छ. If he had not come to Nepal. Now D. Had you arrived a bit earlier? This is also type 3. Had been भित्री. You would have seen. You would have seen. E. We could slow down global warming. Could be one. Type 2. If we reduced energy consumption. Reduce लाई V2 मात्र गराए पुग्दछ. F. If he were to see me, type 2. He would know me at once. He would know. G. Were Regisa in the USA? This is also type 2. C. Would be working for a company. She would be working. H. How would you feel if someone would be one? Type 2. Oh. How would you feel if someone asked you? Asked लाई ed asked मात्र गराए पुग्दछ. Now I. What you do if Keshav has proposed you for marriage? यो क्वेशन भएको कारणले हामी यसबाट क्वेशन बनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. यहाँ क्वेशन मार्क छ. What would you have done? What would you have done? What would you have done if Keshav has proposed you for marriage? J. If I have a life jacket, I could certainly. Could be one. Type 2 भएको हुनाले if I had a life jacket. If I had a life jacket, I could certainly swim across the river. B. Complete the following sentences with appropriate clauses. यहाँ हामीले condition को situation बुझेर हामीले बाँकी पार्ट बनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. If you don't leave soon. यहाँ warning को शैली छ. If you don't leave soon, you will be trapped here forever. If you don't leave soon, यदि छिटो छोडेनौ भने you will be trapped here forever. B. If it rains in winter, विन्टरमा पानी पर्यो भने if it rains in winter, farmers will grow better crops. C. As long as you tell the truth. I won't let you go as long as you tell the truth. D. A country cannot develop unless there is a stable government, unless there is a fixed government. E. If they insult you, तिनीहरू इन्सल्ट गर्यो भने के गर्छौ भनेर क्वेशन सोध्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. Will you be angry if they insult you? What will you do if they insult you? Will you be angry if they insult you? What will you do if they insult you? Thank you for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.